Hi guys, it's KK Williams and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial of how the Grinch stole Christmas, but I'm going to be doing, because the new Grinch called The Grinch came out a long time ago, so I'm going to be doing that, but I'm going to be trying to mimic Cammie's from, yeah, that's her thing right there. I don't think you guys can see it because of the light, of all this light, but it will be in the descriptions below. Her Instagram, and her, you came from KK Williams, and let's go to the video. Okay, so the palettes I'm going to be using to do this is this palette. I'm going to be using the green, and my Riverdale's palette, because there's a green too right there. I'm going to be I'm a Weirdo from the palette, and I see that she has like freckles. I'm going to be trying to do freckles for the first time with an eye pen, so I'm going to be doing that. And I did my lashes prior on it so I can save up time, and let's go get ready. Let's go ready for the Grinch. Okay. First I'm going to be using because it looks like she used a light color first. And it's like going. Okay. And guys, yes, I am wearing a Bah Humbug hat on just for this video, if you're wondering. Okay. Okay. So that's good. The green that I'm gonna use is this one right here that I'm using right now to give it the shine that she has. And now I'm gonna be going under my eye, but not with this brush because I don't like it. I'm gonna be using my brow brush, so I will go, because I think it will go great over the eye. Okay. Yeah, and then you're gonna take the green and put it underneath your eye, underneath the eyelid, and I made a blue on this one because it's like supposed to be like pointing out. And if you guys are wondering, I did not have tape. I don't like using tape for those parts because I tried it once and I didn't like it, so I'm freestyling it. Okay. There. Okay. Now I'm going to be taking the green again, but I'm going to be doing a touch up on it. Okay, there. And now that's it with the green right now. And now it looks like and this is some kind of like my version of it as well. It's 50% and I think 25% like hers. So if you guys are wondering now. And now I'm going to be taking, because it looks like she has like a silvery white on the tip of her eyelid, like right here. So I'm going to be putting that part like that. And I'm going to be going around in like circles. Yeah, and it's looking very pretty right now. Okay. And now I'm going to be taking the I'm a Weirdo from the Riverdale's palette and put the green on my eye as well. Take out the excess and start putting that on it, on my eye. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to take this brush as well and put that under the eye as well. Or just over the wing, because I like it. Okay. Okay, and now here's the big reveal. I'm going to be trying to do the freckles with my stick right now. It looks like I just gave myself polka dots. Okay. I do not like them. I'm sorry, I do not like the freckles on my face right now. It makes me look crazy. And I just don't think I look great in freckles. Or maybe it was that I used an eyeliner palette eyeliner that has sparkles on it. So I'm going to take those off. Okay, and now I'm going to be putting on my lipstick. And this is the Mrs. Grinch. Okay, and now I'm gonna be fixing it up a little bit. There, and now that's it for the makeup tutorial. Yeah, there's hers. Yeah, there's hers and there's mine. Comment down below if I did a good job. It looks exactly like hers, because I think I did a great job on making it look like my own makeup tutorial. And yeah, so go see The Grinch in the movie theaters or on DVD. I don't know what they're doing right now, or if it's still in the movies. So give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and bye guys!